Good morning, dear students. How are you? Today, another period for the social science also. In this social science, we will learn about the chapter number 6 food we eat. We daily eat the different types of the food, or sometimes you think about that these food items, how it prepared and from where they come. So, we will discuss little in detail in this chapter about our food. Are you ready? Then we can start our chapter, the food we eat. Okay, open your book, chapter number 6. After the discussion of this chapter, we will learn something about the food. Food eaten by the people from different region of the India, the common spices, food grains, pulses, vegetable and fruits grown in our country. Then after transportation of the food stuff from one place to another place. Okay, so we will learn and here something written in the mind opener column. You eat the different kind of the food. Think which food do you eat almost every day? Is it chapati made from the wheat, or is it rice, or is it something else? Discuss with your friends. Do you find any difference in the food habits of the children from different region of the India? Yes, the people who are living in the Punjab, they prefer to eat the chapati. The people who are living in the plain area, means in southern area, they prefer to eat the rice. So place to place, our food items or food varieties also varies. Okay, now we will learn little more about the food. The food that people in a region eat most often become their staple food. The one term in this chapter, first of is there as staple food. A staple food, a kind of food which is eaten by the people of that particular area and mostly used in their diet. The people who are living in the coastal area, means near the sea, they prefer to eat the fish and rice. Got it? The fish and rice is the staple food of the people who are living on the living near the coastal area. The people who are living in the plain area, plains, northern plains, we learn no, or it will be in fourth class. So in the plain area, the people who are growing the wheat, they prefer to eat the chapati. Like that, in other places also their food habit is vary. Okay, see in this chapter, the food eaten in the different region of the country depend on the climate. Why this difference in the food habit? Due to the climate and soil of the place. So please keep in your mind these two things, climate and soil. These two things uh, bring the or become the reason in the variation of the food habit in different places. For example, rice grow best in the area where it rains a lot, like West Bengal and Assam. The people of the east means our Assam and West Bengal. These states are in the east of India. The people of the east and South India mainly eating the rice because their rice is growing more. Rice cannot be properly grown in the Rajasthan because Rajasthan has a Thar desert. That's why rice cannot grow properly in the Rajasthan, and there is the desert, and due to that, climate is hot and scarcity of water is also there, and rain very little. That's why we cannot grow the rice in a proper way because rice needs more water to grow. Wheat, jowar, bajra grow well in the climate and soil of the Rajasthan. So which type of the crops grown in the Rajasthan? Wheat, jowar, bajra. But where the more rain, uh, in that place we can grow the rice. So people of Rajasthan eat more of these grains rather than the rice. In the coastal area, a lot of fish is eaten as it is available in the plenty in the sea. Let us take a look at the different kind of the food eaten in the India. Now, in your book, picture are given. See first picture, second picture, third picture. variation in the food items. Okay, first of all, we will now these food items are classified into different groups. See, rice, wheat, these are basically seed, and they are the major part of our diet. These are they occupy the major part of our diet. So these are called as food grains. See, in the northern state of India, people generally eat the wheat and rice. As you go west to the Rajasthan, there is the wheat, there is the desert. That's why they eat the wheat or jowar or corn and bajra. So these things means rice, wheat, jowar, corn, bajra. These are called as food grains. In this slide we can see the pictures of wheat, rice, jowar, corn. Okay, you can see also in your book. These things are commonly eaten in in the southern area or in the south and eastern state. Rice is the staple food. Okay, wheat, jowar, bajra is the staple food of the Rajasthan mean eastern part of the India, and northern part of the India is there wheat and rice as well as. Okay, let us see the next. In our diet, we also prefer to eat the pulses. Got it? Pulses are the popular in all part of the country. In these pulses, rajma, chickpeas, kabuli, chana, arhar dal, moong dal are the main important pulses. These are eaten in the many part of the India, though they are called as different name in different area. You can see the picture of rajma, chickpea or kabuli chana, white gram. Here arhar dal, then after moong dal, black moong, green moong, yellow moong, then after masoor dal, that is called as red lentils. So these are the another group of the food items which are called as pulses. They are also basically seed. Which part of the plant? Seed. Food grain also seed. Beside the food grains and pulses, we eat the different types of the vegetables and fruits. Along with the food grains along with the food grains, we eat the fruit and vegetables, and they are found in all over the India. And see, different fruits grow best in the different state of the our country or India. See, first Kashmir. Kashmir is famous for its apples. Keep in your mind, I gave one work for from this portion of the chapter. So please, Kashmir famous for apple and cherries and strawberry. Three things from Kashmir: apples, cherries, and strawberries. Next, Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apple and apples. So in Himachal Pradesh, apple fruit is famous. Okay. Second, Ladakh, another place in the India. Ladakh is famous for apricot. So in the work you will write in one side name of the place or name of the state, and another side you will write the name of the fruit which are famous for from that place. So Ladakh, apricot is famous from Ladakh. Nagpur is famous. Nagpur in Maharashtra. Don't Maharashtra is the state and Nagpur is the city in Maharashtra state. You can write Maharashtra, then after in bracket you can write Nagpur. Nagpur is famous for its oranges. The world famous Alfonso mango. Alfonso is a kind of mango. There are so many variety of the mangoes found in the world. Alfonso is the name of one variety of the mango. It is the world famous variety of the mango, grown in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Again, see, Maharashtra is the state and Ratnagiri is the place in that state. So see, Nagpur is another place, Ratnagiri is another place in Maharashtra. So first you write the state name Maharashtra, in bracket you will write Ratnagiri, famous for the Alfonso mango. Then after, Dashari mango come from Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is the name of the state, Dashari is the name of mango. It is a fruit. Okay. The pineapples grown in Assam, Goa and Kerala. So Assam pineapple, Goa pineapple, Kerala pineapple. Got it? Now next, these coconuts grow in coastal state such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You will write Kerala. Then after write coconut. Tamil Nadu, coconut. Understood? What is this? So you will write the one side the name of the state or name of the place of that state, and other side the famous fruit of that place. Okay, come to the next. In this slide, and it is I took from your book, in this part or in this slide you can see the different types of the fruits. Okay, and one part is given. Did you know mango is called as the king of fruits? Do you know the king of flower, like that? Another you can find out from the Google or from GK book. More than 1,000 varieties of mangoes are grown in India. Keep in your mind. See, more than 1,000 varieties of the mangoes grown in India only. Got it? There are how many varieties of the mango found in India? Okay. Thank you. Up to here it is clear to all of you. Read one time again chapter up to here. Okay, and try to understand. Next, I am giving some work. Before I explain to you how you will write here, name of the state. If in the state there is a place, you write first name of the state, and after the state you write in bracket of that place name and famous fruit of that place. And this work is no need to do today. Please keep in your mind, this work no need to do today. Please, there is the gap during this week. When you will get the time, please, that time you will do these works. Don't do today only, because it is the work for this week. So don't be hurry, don't be worry. Please keep in your mind, you when you will be free, do this work with the help of your book. Understood? Thank you. Again, in this slide, name of the food grains you have to write, and name of the pulses you have to write from the your book. Please don't be hurry. This week, next week, when you will do this work, don't be hurry. Please. Again, I am requesting, don't do this now only. Okay? Please, you can take your time and you will do according to your convenience. Got it? So, but you should do this work in your science or social copy for your learning. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.